What if you had your own trading strategy that consistently gives you a good ROI in your capital? A strategy that's easy to follow and requires no decision making or guessing. A strategy that's as simple as, if this, then that. Well, in this video series, that's exactly what we show you. Welcome back. My name's Mike, and my goal is to help you achieve financial freedom through trading. If you liked the video, please drop a like and a comment. It really helps the channel, and it's free. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and tick the bell. Now, let's go over the strategy. So this strategy is composed of three indicators. You have the 200 EMA, the Parabolic Sar, and the MACD. I'm not going to go over how all these indicators work behind the scenes. I'll save that for another video. But all these indicators are free on TradingView, and you should be able to easily find them and add them to your chart. The only thing you have to do after that is change your exponential moving average to 200. And then I like to change the colors and the line widths on all the different indicators. So for a long entry, there are three things that need to be met. First of all, you need to be above the 200 EMA. The Parabolic SAR has to be below the price, and the MACD has to be crossed up. Just because all these conditions are met, you can't enter the trade at any time. You need one of these to change while all the others are met. So for example, I should not enter the trade right here just because all those conditions are met, because the MACD had already triggered several bars ago. I had already been above the EMA several bars ago. So right here, for example, would be my entry, right when you can see the MACD histogram cross up, and that means the MACD has crossed up. And Parabolic SAR meets the qualifications, and the EMA meets the qualifications. Now, your take profit and stop loss are placed like so. For a long entry, you want to take it at the candle close. Your stop is going to be at the Parabolic SAR, and your take profit will be a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio in this strategy. And if you pull it right, you can see this particular trade was a winner. So let's go over to the next entry signal. Technically, right here, you can see down here is the values of the MACD. And you can see right here it crosses from negative to positive, from minus 0.02 to 405. So technically, that is another entry signal. So let's go ahead and take another trade there. Right here at the close. Stop will be at the Parabolic SAR. Risk reward 1-to-1. And as you can see, that was a pretty quick winner. So let's find one more. Let's just go somewhere a bit farther down the chart, just to find a random example. Here we go again. A long entry, cannot take it right here, even though the MACD crossed, because the Parabolic SAR was not below the price on this one. But that happened right here. So this would be your next entry. Take it at the close. Stop loss to the SAR, to the Parabolic SAR, and we have a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And as you can see, that was another winner. So let's go over just a few short examples just to really drill it in. So a short is going to be the exact opposite. We want price to be below the 200 EMA. We want the Parabolic SAR to be above the price, and we want the MACD to be crossing down. So right here, you can see the MACD goes from positive to negative. Parabolic SAR on the same candle, and we're below the EMA, so that is a valid entry. Put the stop at the Parabolic SAR, do 1-to-1 risk reward, and as you can see, that was another winner. So let's go to the next entry on this candle. So at the close, stop at the Parabolic SAR, 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, Bam, another winner. Short entry at the close, stop at the Parabolic Sar, 1-to-1 risk reward, another quick winner. So hopefully that all makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward for you guys, me doing the painstaking process of trying 100 trades and recording the results. So let's get into it. And there you have it. After backtesting 100 trades on Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame, this strategy had a 67% win rate with 28.4% net profit on the account. The most winners in a row was 9 and the most losers in a row was 3. Now keep in mind, I used a simplified version of position sizing for this example, always using $1,000 per trade, which would equal about 1% risk on the account for 10% moves. I'll go over proper risk management in a future video. All in all, I think I'd give this strategy a B+ rating. It's easy to follow and it's guaranteed to give you good results over the long run as long as you stick to the rules and let the probabilities play out. As with most of the strategies I post here, I'll be publishing an indicator for this to my Patreon. If you're interested, you'll get access to all my indicators and strategies on TradingView so that you can put them on your own charts and set up your own custom trade alerts sent to your email or TradingView mobile app. This is my preferred way to trade, so I never have to stress or watch the charts. If you want to make trading your path to financial freedom and learn to trade like the professionals, then stay tuned for more videos. Until then, good luck and happy trading.